Good morning, Voyagers. It's another stormy day here in New England. Look at this. Oh my goodness. We're not getting snow today. We are getting freezing rain. It's rain, but when it hits the ground, it freezes. Or it's frozen before it hits the ground. One or the other. But this is going to be a real beast of a job to clear the windshields. That stuff is solid ice. Oh my goodness. Not gonna be a fun day here in Boomtown. Ice on the branches. We're having an ice storm. Freezing rain, they call it. Whatever. Comes down out of the sky and it freezes. And it's pretty slippery out there, so be careful driving.
Like World War III at home trying to give up their phone jars.
Yeah, no, you get.
What about? Because they need to do that to treat us like new customers.
What about the plan? The plan depends on how much data you guys need. All the plans have unlimited minutes and messaging. It's the data that you guys are looking for. How much do you guys have now? Yeah.
I don't know if you get ice storms where you live, but this is what it looks like at night when we get an ice storm. It's been raining and snowing off and on all day, and then it changes to sleet and then freezing rain. And you get a lot of ice on the branches. And they're all bright and shiny and sparkly in the light. Just like a big crystal chandelier. Nice, huh?